Hello, back again. Yeah, with me. Now, this is the third episode, and now we are going to do the clean architecture for CRUD user. CRUD user first, yeah. Basically, clean architecture is how architecture consistently made, and we created user domain spirited as a model or entity, and then the repository layer, and then the service or use case layer, and then the handle layer. But we will use Gin, yeah, right now. We use Gin first. Gin, sorry. We use Gin, not use Echo for now. Use Gin, and then we will create the root and the API for this one, for the user first. REST HTTP lah. So let's start, yeah. For now, don't forget to create a new branch. Feature 003 should be clean architecture. Clean architecture user, and clear. We close all of our last time code. Then now we will install Gin router. Go get github.com gingoni/gin, and wait until the downloading is done. Yeah, we see the go mode is add new Gingoni. Okay, already. So I want to create a new folder, so make directory make dash p internal user handler internal user service internal user repository internal user model. So internal we have user, handler, model, repository, and service. Okay, this basically we separate into the three main layer, which is when HTTP request coming, will be going to handler, and then and then go to the service layer, and then go to the repository layer, and then after that the database. So first we need to create a model. Here in the new model user.go package model, yeah, package model, and then type user struct id should be string JSON id, full name should be string JSON full name, email should be string JSON email. Do we have email in our database? In it up? Yeah, we have email. Okay, good. So password has string should be JSON, like this. Don't expose hash password to JSON. So create a tag time JSON created add, updated add, and deleted add. Okay, deleted add should be has this one ya, asterisk. This should be add omit empty. If empty, then don't put in value, and then type create user request struct full name. We need a full name, and then this is as a string JSON full name. I don't need the validation. Wait, for no binding required. An email, just an email. Pending required email, and password is pending required mean should be 6 is enough, I think. Okay, then type update 6 for now lah. Maybe a better more long better. Update user request should be struct as well, and then full name. For now, full name ya. JSON no. Let's like this. Okay, we place here full name string, not with this one. Okay, so I think this is done. So full name JSON, full name binding required. Why this one? Yeah, this one should be ignoring lah. Ignore this because this is from IDE. No need to worry about. Just pending required ya, like this. No need to worry. Okay, we done in here, and then we go to the repository.go. Repository, we create a repository.go. Here we package repository, and then type user repository interface. We create an interface and create context u as a model.user error, and update context model user. No, I think we don't need the update. Yeah, we need lah. Find by ID lah ya. First find by ID as context ID string model user error, and then find by email context email string model user error, and update context email string update context u.model.user error. Okay, this one is good. We don't need delete lah. Delete also can cover from update, no worries for that. So after that we create type again, which is MySQL user repository struct, and db_sql.db. we need to import the SQL. So after that function new MySQL user repository as a db, and sql.db and user repository, and then return pointer ya to here, MySQL user repository. The error is does not implement user repository missing method create. So after this we need to create the missing function. First we create a create we create a function create. We create function func r MySQL repository create ctx as a context and model.user error. Yeah, this one good. So model.user error, and then we do the query insert into users ID, full name, email, password, hash. Password, hash, and then values equal and then underscore error. We don't need the variable, so we use underscore r.db.execution context. We pass the ctx code context and then the query, and then u.id, u.full name, u.email, and u.hash password, and return error if any error. Okay, I don't need. I think this one should be the code run if too long. In IDE anti-gravity. Option Z to enable word wrap. Option Z. Why cannot? Oh, like this guy. Okay. Okay, good. Okay, option and then Z, or this one. This one is no problem. I just need to go like this one. Why? I accidentally wrong open folder, so I'm really sorry. I will go again here. Okay, I'm sorry for this. And then I need to working on the find by email method. Okay, so find by email method or get by ID. It should be get by ID. I don't want to make it the find, so get by ID function. I just copy here. Func r MySQL repository, get by ID, MySQL repository, ctx context, and then model user error, and then like this. Okay, and then return u nil. U is no, so I create u equal to model dot user like this. Okay, So I create the query. The query is like ID, full name, email, password, hash, and created, add, updated, add, deleted, add. So updated, created, updated, deleted from users, where ID is question marks, and then and deleted add is null. So select, basically selects asterisk actually, so no problem. Okay, from user, yeah, don't forget add the where and deleted is null. Then we go error r.db.query row context. We pass context, the context ctx, and then the id, and then scan u.id, u.full name, u.email, updated add, and deleted add. No, I don't need the deleted add. Created password, hash, created add, and updated add. And if error equal to nil, then if errors equal errors no rows, then return nil, and errors dot new user not found, else I just return nil and error. This is if no rows. Okay, we have already done for the get by id, and then this error is get by email. For now we copy again the get by email function and found our MySQL repository, and then write this and just add the parentheses, and then we do the same, which just copy from the get by id, but we need to change this as an email, not id but email, and this also email. Okay, just like this, same. Let me see if this is still error. We need a missing method update, so we copy the update one and found r equal MySQL repository, and copy paste here the update, and then query equal to update users set full name, because we only full name, yeah, that we can change currently, yeah, where id equal to parenthesis as well, and then underscore error r.db.exact context. Don't forget to pass the context, query u.full name and u.id, and return error. Okay, done. So we need to create a service layer. Wait, why we still context, yeah, context. Later we'll cover. I will add the new this one. I in interface as a context propagation, like this one is every time we need to pass the context, like a context from handler, letter from handler to the repository to the service to the database. This is works for if the client is canceling the request, maybe timeout or cancel, yeah, query database will automatically cancel as well, so it's result so it's not load or not hit the resource server. Okay, after that we create the service layer. I want to install the UUID. Go github.com, go get github.com, Google UUID. This one is as a ID, and I want to go to the services. I create a new file called service.go and package service right now, and type user service interface. First I want register. This should be CTX. I need to pass the context. Request should be model.create user request, and the return should be model.user and error. After that, get profile CTX context id string model.user. This one also model.user. So I already add, so error. Update profile context, and I need an ID and request model update user request, and then model.user and then error. Okay, this one should be good. Type user service struct. I want to make it repository.user repository, and then function new user service. It should be repository user service, and then user service. This has an error, missing method get profile. We need to create the get profile. I think first of all register lah ya. I need S, and then this one should be user service like this. And okay, first we need to check if the email is already registered. So existing, and s.repo.get by email gtx write.email, and then if existing is nil, it's not nil, I mean return nil, then errors, new email already registered. Then later we need to check create new object, new user object, and then user model.user and id equal to UUID dot new dot string, and then full name type dot full name, and then email type dot email, and then password hash type dot password. This later we need to do to hashing the password. Later we will cover this one to hashing the password, and then the third is store it to the database. How? Yeah, like this. If error s.repo.create context user error equal narrator error is not nil, return nil error, and this one should be written s.repo.getById and context and pass the user.id. So after that, get the get profile. So okay, the get profile found as user service. We paste like this. We copy here, but we need to add this one. Okay, and then just return s.repo.getById context and id, just like this. The last one is update profile found as user service, update profile, and then we parenthesis. We need to check first if user is already, if you error not nil, return nil and error, then if not user dot full name equal rect dot full name, if error s.repo dot update context user error nil, return nil error, then s.repo getById again gtx and id. This one if the update is working properly. So the update is actually can have a new password or something, but now we are not covering it yet. So after this we need to create handler. Here I need to create handler.co package handler, and first time package service, right? Yes. Type user handler struct svc service user service new user handler svc user handler and user handler svc. Yes, this one correct, it should be correct. Yeah, then we add a register is h.handler, and I think I don't need this http, but we can use the gin dot context var request equal var request, the type is model create user request, and if c.should bind json this make the request from body to be JSON automatically. So we can create j.json if error should be http.getRequest status request, the gin.h is error and then return. Okay, if not error, then user error h.svc.register. This svg is coming from here, yeah, because h is user handler. So register j.request.context and then rect if error not nil, so j.json http.statusconflict jing.h error written, and then if okay, status created. j.json status created user. Okay, this one should be okay. And then get profile use skin as well. So id c.param id user error h.svg.getProfile j.requestContext id, and if error not nil, then we create this one should be status not found, and error, and then if okay, status okay, JSON status okay, and then user, this one correct. So then after update profile in context id, we copy from here, we copy paste from here, and then far right model.update user, if error json status pet request again, this one should be error. Copy from here should be, and then return, and then user error h.svg.update profile c.request context id and rec, if error not nil, json status internal server error, and then if work is status okay. Okay, we already have done all of the user. So I will go to the cmdmain.co, and then I will initiate the layer. Here I initiate layer, which means user repository, why not automatically new user repository, this, okay, I think I need to import manual here. User repository is GitHub, like this, user handler, GitHub, user repository first lah, user repository usvc equal to user service dot new user service new user service urepo, okay, ting kopas, service, and then after that user handler internal user handler. Okay, this one error not used, no worries, we will create new handler in here, handler, user handler, and new user handler use USVC. Okay, so second setup gin router, which means the gin.default, and the routes is r.post API version 1 users handler register, and after that API v1 users ID, you handle the profile, and then update profile, and then log.start server, I add this one, server running on port 8080, if error run 8080 should be error, if not nil, then log.fatal, server failed to run, %v error. I forgot to add the comma in here, so I want to try where is the error. SVC should be, oh yeah, I forgot to create the DB. This one is DB, so I pass DB in here. Should be work. Go mod ID first. Okay, go mod ID, it should be already, and then we go run cmd mine.go. Is it working? Is it okay? Is this working properly? So wait the AI to answer. So yes, the application is starting properly, the database connection is success, and root registered with Gin has successfully not on running in debug mode. So you can switch to Git mode. Gin mode is released, trusted proxy warning. This that one security concern in production if we accept we trust all proxies, yeah. So in the production we need to use set trusted proxies later, but in the local is fine. This is testing. We can ignore this one first, and please give me and how to test this API so I can import to Postman or something, or we can just do with the curl. Curl I think not really use much for the model. So we can copy sheet and put directly to Postman, or use this one, register in the terminal using curl. I think I will use curl first. before we move to the postman, and this post this one, the John Doe. As example, we can try to check in here in our database, check the wallet is the user. The user is here, password is still plain. We will change this later, and then use the we need to get, so I copy this one, error, destination is not API user, destination argument ID. This has an error. Why I get this one? Let me check with Gemini. Expected 7 destination. Repository.go is query raw context. Query raw context is forgot with the created at maybe. Get my ID or what is this one? Okay, I think I will add get by ID and email you with the u.deleted at. Maybe this is the problem, and I think we need to restart, and we call again, and we get this one. Okay, cool. Then this is John Doe, email is John Doe. I think I will try to update just John Doe full name. We need to change the ID, we need to copy the ID. Okay, is it okay? Updated, it should be updated in here. John Doe updated. Okay, thank you. This one is working fine, so I will close and I will push to the GitHub. Think I will use this one. Implement user module with registration profile using Green framework and commit, and then publish. And then if we check, we have this one, clean architecture and CRUD user. Good. I think we can create pull rec and then merge. I delete the branch, I change to the master and git pull origin master. So let's see, this one. Okay, so that's all for now. We will continue in the next episode. Thank you.